Thirdly, blessed are the meek.
Are you listening?
To the world, this sounds like saying, blessed are the walked all over. But meekness is not weakness, it is strength under control. It's like a horse that has been trained and goes forth. Meekness toward God is that disposition of spirit in which we accept His dealings with us as good, and therefore without disputing or resisting. It's being humble and compliant with God. But the opposite of meekness is self-assertiveness, self-interest, like speaking, quote, truth, unquote, to power when that truth is falsehood, or nullifying law, or claiming it's your body and your choice when in fact it's another body and another's life. God calls it being stiff-necked. Are you meek today? Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. That doesn't sound right, does it? Seems like the meek wouldn't inherit the earth. They would get pushed out of the earth. Survival of the fittest. Only the strong survive. It's interesting that Bruce says that the meek of England, think back to your history, the meek of England, driven out of their native land by religious intolerance, have inherited the continent of America. Be willing, obedient to God, and accept His dealings as good without disputing or resisting. Reject self-assertiveness and self-interest against God. These are the Philistines that we fight, these ideas of self-assertiveness and self-interest against God.